que tira foto la cámara o graba, ¿no?
Got a nice pee on it.
Oh, we're hooked up! Oh, Patrick!
Hey!
Yo! Is it the big one?
No,
Yes!
parece que la carnada es buena.
Alright, so we're fishing at this secret spot. And the boy Angel, Big Chungus over there, caught a biggie.
Yeah, I'm moving. Move. I'm landing.
Alright. I'm just, you know, head cam right now.
Oh, he's dragging.
Okay.
Help me out here.
Here, let me hold your rod
No.
for a little bit. That way you could get down safer. Alright,
Try
go.
not lose him.
I won't.
Alright, watch out. Give me.
Here.
Go, record this.
I am.
Record this.
I am. Here, you want the head cam?
Double up! Yeah, give me the head cam. Alright, so we out here.
¿Es una cámara?
See?
Que tira foto la cámara o graba, ¿no?
Got a nice pee on it.
Oh, we're hooked up! Oh, Patrick!
Hey!
Yo! Is it the big one?
No, parece que la carnada es buena.
Alright, Angel.
Hold this.
Guys, Angel!
No! We just lost him!
Here, give me the cam. Oh my god! Yo, look at this guy splash. He's not splashing. He's not splashing. Oh, there he splashed! Here.
On the mini rod!
Here, camera.
Put it on my head.
Mini rod.
Put it on my head!
Helmet cam.
Yo! Dude, that's a dunk! We're putting him in.
No, stop.
We're putting him in.
He's good. I got him.
Bring him over here. So we got him hooked on.
Yo, that's big chungus right there.
And dude, this is on a
That's
mini rod, bro.
Bro, that's like a 6-pounder.
Mini rod.
6 or 7.
You said your rod's a little piece of shit.
There
we go.
Come back.
Bring that big boy in.
Come on in.
Yo, that's a big boy.
All right, Patrick. I'll take that.
Chungus.
I'll take that.
Damn, that boy big.
Yo.
Let me get a quick pic with it.
No, let me take a quick pic.
Look, I got you with a portrait.
Yo, go for it, bro. Yo, check this fish out.
All right, give me a pic real quick.
That's the thumbnail right there. Got it. All right, let him back in.
I got you.
It's your fish. You release it.
Slow-mo.
It's not how you let back a
Fucking
fish.
Ow! Got it, slow-mo.
Let the monster back in his territory. Oh no, he's all
Fucking
nasty.
beautiful.
Not anymore.
Let me get a pic. Hold on.
Let me get a pic. Hold on.
Want a good picture.
Goodbye.
Slow-mo.
It's a fucking monster.
Look at him go. And
Mini rod.
He's gone. Yo, you guys want to go eat somewhere after this? Wendy's? No.
I just hate to laugh.
No, I eat tilapia. It's Oh, he wants it?
Oh yeah, he wants it. He's fine. Shut the fuck up, Monster Mike. I hope you recorded that.
Yeah, I did.
Watch Monster Mike watch the video.
Alright. Look right in front of me.
I know, I see the market.
No, there was a fat pea after
Oh,
that.
that one? Yeah. You tell me.
He's obsessed. Giovanni's obsessed over turtle now.
Monster Mike, you see this? You're not asset fishing. You're just way too fucking exaggerating. Oh, that boy a big one.
Not that big. I mean, it's small for this area.
You want to throw me a rod?
Oh, okay. But she's dirty. Look at her.
Small girl peacock.
Danny, is this shit waterproof?
No, not yet.
Oh, yo, there's a follower. Oh, damn.
Get through real quick. Get that one.
She's not big, but she's something.
She's cute.
There's a follower on this one.
Baby girl. Oh, no, I'm just gonna flip it. Flip it or die, right?
Flip better than I, dude.
She's chunky.
Yeah, you guys follow me. WBL.angel.
Where's our follower? Left? I'll take it.
Look at that spot.
Hey. Here we go.
Let's get a quickie. Whoa.
Hey, backflip.
Yeah.
Go.
Backflip that bitch. Whoa, she did it.
I'm gonna go catch him.
Deuces.
No, Angel.
Yo,
Don't underestimate my fishing power.
no one ever did.
I know.
All right, let's go. I'm getting camera ready and everything. Or do you want to carry it? Yo, Svani! We're leaving! What is it?
Look at that Pete just chilling. Just chilling.
Nice one.
Just chilling.
Did you pack over
Yeah,
it?
just screw it. Just put it in. We'll go to the next spot.
Spot has
We
big
don't
ones.
want to scare away all the fishies.
Yeah, we're leaving!
We just got kicked out of a fishing.
Yeah, the dude came after us.
I'm going again.
We're gonna go to Lewis's spot.
Where's my fish? Oh. Come on, man.
I was gonna call you. I called you by Instagram and nobody answered.
Alright, just met them right now.
Oh, watch out. Move, Angel.
I need water.